What's up, guys? This is John from Customs, and today I want to introduce you to the newest member of our team, Grant, and we're going to show you his Powerstroke Bronco that he just got the motor in.
Yeah, my name's Grant. I'm the newest member here at the Customs gang. I got this Bronco, it was like my first or second day working here. And I already had a donor Powerstroke, 1996 with low miles, I think a little under 150,000. And I'd always wanted to do this. Well, I got a wild hair one night and decided, you know what, I got the donor, I got the Bronco, I wanted to do this forever. And so I said, screw it, I'm going for it. And
did you tell Jack during that time that you were going to have a Powerstroke swap done in 3 days?
Yes, okay, I did tell him. He asked me how long it'd take. I'm like, I don't know, a few days. I mean, it's the same platform, we're just transferring everything over. And he said, do you sleep? I'm like, yeah, a little bit. But anyway, 3 days turned into about 7 days. It took me a week. And I basically didn't sleep. I slept in the bay next door in my camper van and basically would wake up, walk out of the van and stumble in here and just start wrenching. I did technically get it running and driving. Drove it about, 2 miles and had it running for about 20 minutes before I realized there was something majorly wrong.
That was when there was a little bit of pressurized coolant, right?
Yeah, basically the whole engine bay was covered in coolant by the time I got back from my first test drive. And I did get a couple sweet donuts in there. Got her done, got new injector cups in there and got some wiring figured out. And yeah, it's pretty fun. I haven't got to romp on it too much, again, just like a couple miles down the road, but it's finally shifting gears on its own.
How hard would you say the swap was? Because you had a full donor truck and the Bronco. Like, was it terribly difficult or was it pretty plug and play?
It's pretty much plug and play. It helped. I can't imagine doing this in my own shop. The fact that I had a lift right here with my parts truck and the Bronco right next door, I could just swap everything over. It was about as easy as it could get.
Okay.
There was some, like the Bronco or the donor that I bought was an automatic 4-wheel drive F250, and there was some odd things going on with it, like the fact that the engine bay harness was for a manual, not for an automatic.
Right.
So the guy I got it from clearly had messed with it a little bit, so that threw me for a loop. I couldn't get the transmission to shift. So
that was just a harness issue. That wasn't a Bronco.
No, not at all.
Issue.
No, as far as like just bolting it in, it pretty much bolted in. Yeah.
Sweet. Well, let's show them around the engine bay. FYI, Grant didn't even want to do this video because it's not done yet. So we're gonna see more of this as he gets it finished up.
Definitely. I'm gonna try to polish it up. It's literally just as bare bones as could be, just good enough to take it on its maiden voyage, basically. Yeah, I mean, I took as much as I could transfer over from my donor truck. I did, so I tried to make it as stock looking as I could. Oh, well, besides the red valve covers. When I bought that paint, I thought it was the same color as the car.
Yeah, that's a little different than the Bronco color, but it still looks good.
Yeah, whatever, it's unique. I got this cheapo K9 filter on O'Reilly's just to get me by. So, I mean, it's bare bones. It's just what it took. I took like a pretty DIY approach to my e-fuel. I just cut the stock regulator off of my fuel bowl and ran just a basic pressure gauge into it, and yeah, just as simple as I could keep it. The turbo stock basically completely stock. The truck is. We did injector O-rings, injector cups, glow plugs, valve cover harness, basically just maintenance. And I'm going to drive it as is for a while. I've got a tuner that I'll plug into it at some point. I kind of wanted to get used to this power level, like basic power level, and then at least have an upgrade then. Then once I get tired with the just the tuner and a stock truck, we'll see what happens after that. I've got like an eBay turbo I could slap on there, and maybe some injectors. We'll see.
Nice.
That's a ways down the road though.
That's exciting.
Yeah, I'm super excited to get out there and just take it for a good ride.
Just hearing 7.3 Powerstroke in a Bronco is pretty awesome. And he said this is the bad side, by the way. So
yeah, the fender and door match on the other side. They supposedly did match at one point, but they've taken.
I'm sure they did at some point.
Yeah,
they had to.
A long time ago.
A long time ago. Like Grant said, this is an ongoing project, and I figured you guys would be stoked to see a Powerstroke in a Bronco. He did this while the shop was kind of empty and we were gone, and so there's quite a few things to tidy up, but I think it will be fun to see the progress and see how it goes. And everybody loves Powerstroke Broncos. So,
I know, right?
yeah, I'm sure we'll have some more episodes on this, and maybe Grant will get some footage while he's out testing it this weekend, camping and out snow wheeling, which is a bold move for something that has 5 miles on it.
It's not even 5 miles.
All right, not even 5 miles. So hopefully it goes well.
Windshield wipers, that's another item on the list. Need to hook those guys up.
Oh yeah, I see the plug.
Yeah, it doesn't match from 92 to 96 or 7.
Oh,
Yeah,
fun.
Yeah.
All right.
The heater, yeah, there's lots of stuff on the list.
Okay, well, we'll try to make a comprehensive list of the things that Grant's dealt with in the process of converting his Bronco to a Powerstroke, so, to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments section. And everybody say hi to Grant. So
Nice
he'll
to meet
be
everybody.
on lots more videos. Thank you.